At Foxleigh, we look out for each other. That's why we're always looking for ways to make our work safe, efficient and comfortable. One of our big steps forward at Foxleigh is to buy 26 brand new trucks to replace our leased fleet. These trucks are more comfortable for our operators, which reduces fatigue and ultimately keeps us all safer. For our team, new trucks means less breakdowns, less time in the workshop, and allows us to focus on tracking our production to produce a better result for all of us. And across the site, the result is clear. Greater reliability, stronger production allows us to produce a sustainable future for our operation. This investment is more than just about new trucks. It's about supporting our people and delivering as a team.